Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble for app development. Bubble is an incredibly powerful no-code platform that empowers you to build fully functional web applications without writing a single line of code. It's designed for creators who want to bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently. You can visually design your user interface, create complex workflows, and manage your data all within one intuitive environment. It truly democratizes app creation for everyone. Bubble offers a robust set of features to bring your app vision to reality. You can visually design every aspect of your user interface using a flexible drag-and-drop editor, giving you pixel-perfect control. Beyond design, you'll build powerful workflows to define your app's logic and functionality. Plus, Bubble includes an integrated database for managing all your application data, and it easily connects to thousands of external services through APIs, expanding your app's potential. Building an app with Bubble follows a clear, logical path. First, clearly define your app's purpose and the key features it will offer. Next, dive into the visual editor to design your user interface, crafting an engaging experience for your users. Then, you'll implement the backend logic and data structures using Bubble's powerful workflow system. Finally, rigorously test your application to ensure everything works seamlessly before launching it to your audience. Choosing Bubble offers numerous compelling advantages for app development. You can develop and launch applications significantly faster, often in a fraction of the time compared to traditional coding. This speed also translates into substantial cost savings, as you reduce the need for extensive developer resources. Bubble empowers rapid iteration, allowing you to quickly adapt and improve your app based on user feedback. It's a versatile platform, capable of building everything from internal tools to complex social networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.